Come on, travel. There it goes. Ho! But the house is still there. The house is supposed to blow away.
That house is made out of... It's probably made out of plastic. Never mind. Somewhere out here, there's an area where the aliens spawn, though.
Or the what?
Aliens?
Aliens in their spaceships.
Sweet. Oh, I just
Awesome.
hopped out like an idiot.
There goes the door.
Sorry. I broke your door.
It'd be nice if my car would actually go in one straight line.
Probably help if we had the trucks. Oh no, here we go.
I'm just gonna kill myself.
Okay.
It'll be easier this way. If I get away from my vehicle far enough, I can summon another one.
Okay, let me get out of it first. Alright, I'm out of it. Oh! Rolling down a hill. Oh shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, tree!
Has idea.
Whoa! Backflip! Nice recovery. Nice one. Nice. Almost there. Or are we there? Did I get here just in time?
Yeah, we went over this edge just a little bit, and there's a pink dot down there. It's another dead person. I launched her off the cliff, and I went down over the cliff and just drove back up.
Goodbye. Have a fun trip. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh! Oh no, 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 no! Ah! Oh, fuck. No, stop! Stop! Oh! So what are you planning on doing from there?
Just slowly sliding.
Uh-oh. There you go!
Oh! Oh, shit! There goes the truck. I still hear it.
I'm waiting for it to
What does
boom.
it sound like? Tunk tunk
Yeah.
tunk 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 tunk
Yeah.
tunk tunk tunk.
Probably doing fucking somersaults now. Where's the boom?
You need the boom to be satisfied.
Yep. I should have stood here and watched that. That would have been hysterical. It's still going! I see it!
Geronimo!
Oh! You pushed me off!
I did. I found my truck. I found it. It's alive.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay, here I go for my run and jump. Whee! There's your truck. It's upside down, but it's there.
That's where I'm at.
Oh, don't roll all the way down the fucking mountain. God damn it. Well, that was convenient. Oh, shit! Are you trying to get in it, or just flip it over?
Trying to budge it a little bit.
Oh, there it
my
goes!
God.
There it goes! Nice! It's over! It's alive! The indestructible truck's alive! Let's see. Driver door, gone. Passenger rear door, gone. No windows, no hood, no front grille. No
You got
driver
all
door.
doors almost? You got your door?
I got my door. There's...
Wouldn't it be funny if you could just reattach the door?
Yeah. We saw it laid on a rock. At least one of them.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh! My door is gone. The rest of the doors decided to catch up along with the hood.
It's not even a truck anymore, it looks.
Well, turn around. All the parts are behind us. We can just go gather all the parts, stick them in the bed of the truck, and go find the mechanic. Maybe it'll be cheaper. No bumper. But yet, out of all this, we still have the back glass. That's just amazing. And the windshield. Uh-oh. Wait, how did all the doors reappear? And the hood?
What?
Okay, on my screen, your doors reappeared. They were on, then popped off, along with the hood. Now, on the driver's side, there's the driver door, passenger door. And then on the passenger side, the two doors, and the hood's in front.
Maybe you should take a screenshot of it because I don't see anything on the car. There's no windows, no doors, no hood, no fenders, no nothing. And the
Well,
fuel tanks are bent.
are they really?
And the front axle's fucked and the rear axle's fucked. Ha ha, coppers, you cannot win.
Lucky headshot.
Fuck, my truck just turned invisible.
It did it?
Yeah, it was weird.
Oh.
Fuck you, helicopter, bitch. Gonna go up here to a flat spot and we're gonna fuck it.
Oh! Fuckers.
Oh, your helicopter's fucked.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Ho ho!
Goddamn helicopter.
Saw that from a distance.
That was my last one. Finally. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. No. Oh shit. Dodging helicopter parts. There we go. There we go. Watch it. Oh shit. Run! Watch out for sliding helicopter. I love that sound. It's so satisfying.
Goodbye to your helicopter.
Yeah.
They gave me a straightforward shot to their pilot.
Goodbye, tail rotor.
Look at that guy.
Watch it. Watch it.
Go down the hill, bitch. How many helicopters is that now?
Oh no, I lost count. Oof.
It's fucking cheap how they can sit above you, directly above you, and shoot underneath them.
Oof. Yep. Oh, they finally got me. Took them long enough.